about research from particular countries on quantum computing. And I'm just thinking, do you think it is a possible threat to blockchains that are not quantum proof in the future?
Oh, yay, this question.
It needed to be asked.
Okay, so basically, the Ethereum 2.0 design is designed in such a way that every single component is either one, quantum resistant already, or two, is a kind of piece of general purpose code. So if a user wants quantum resistance for their application, they can just plug that in. Or three, components that we already know of a drop-in replacement for, which we can use to make it quantum proof fairly easily in the future. So it's definitely something that, at least in the kind of Ethereum Serenity proof of stake sharding Situate case, is something that I expect not to be a particular problem. Especially since, like, I expect quantum computing in practice to be something that we have quite a lot of warnings for. Other blockchains, it depends on their roadmaps. I'll admit I am worried about the survival of proof of work blockchains post-quantum, basically because there exists this algorithm that quantum computers use called Grover's algorithm, which can do a kind of square root factor speed up in basically any kind of search problem.
But you can soft fork. That's not a problem because you can soft fork quantum resistant.
No, but the problem is that I don't think there is such a thing as a quantum resistant proof of work. And the reason why is that with Grover's algorithm, right, what you can do is that any problem that takes a trillion steps for a regular computer to solve, you can make a problem that takes a million steps for a quantum computer to solve. And so there is a kind of quantum improvement angle for basically any problem. And so unless, if everyone gets a quantum computer, then this is fine. But if the access to quantum computers is kind of very unequal initially, then this does mean that there is this kind of initial period, a possible period during which there is kind of high centralization and NSA risk for a bunch of blockchains. And I mean, I'll admit this is one of the secondary reasons why I find proof of stake interesting. Yeah.
Thanks.
Hello?